Hi, in this video I would like to show you how you can monitor your backups in GitProtect.io. On the Organizations panel, you can see all the most necessary information about the backups for that organization. You can see the plans that are running for that organization, how many repositories from it are protected, and a simple visual representation of the percent of successful and unsuccessful backups. To see detailed information about backup plans, click See All Plans button. There you can see pieces of information for each plan, when the last backup was performed, when the next one will run, and what data is protected. You can also force start the plan to run now. If you want to do that, click Start Now. You can also edit each plan from this panel. Just click the pencil icon. Or you can see more detailed information about each plan by clicking the I button. In this view you can see when the next backup will run. You can also see the latest tasks, total repositories protected, and metadata protected, but also a detailed schedule. In addition, you can edit, delete, or run now from the bottom of that panel. If you see the failure of any backup tasks, you can run that task again. In the latest tasks, click on the details button of that task. Click Run again, or you can see even more detailed information about the backup tasks by clicking the details button. It will take you directly to the tasks panel of that organization. You can also go to tasks by clicking the tasks button on the left side panel. Here you can see current tasks, or if you choose the tab of the top of the panel, tasks from the last period. You can see the name of the backup plan that was performed, its status, a number indication of how many repositories have been backed up correctly or incorrectly, and the number of warnings. You can also see the time that task was finished and how long it took. Let's click on the tasks to see more detail about it. In this view, you can see all backed up repositories, whether the backup was successful, how much storage is used, and the number of sent resources. If you want even more detailed information, click the I button on the right. Let's now go to the logs. To do that, click on the Logs tab on the left side panel. Here you can find all of the logs created by GitProtect.io. For each log you can see the level of the log, the name of it, the date it was recorded, and the subject of an event, and what triggered it. To see more detailed information found in the log, click the I icon on the right. The next thing you can do to monitor your backup is to set up email notifications. To do that, click on the Settings button on the bottom of the left side panel and click Email Notifications. Let's first set up recipients. Simply just provide an email address to which you want to receive notifications. You can set up multiple recipients. If you want to delete one, just click on the X button next to the one you want to remove. Let's now set up what you want to have in your email notifications. You can choose the language and information you want provided in emails. After you do that, click Save. You can also set up Slack notifications. Provide your webhook address and click Save. And as with the email address notifications, you can choose the language and what information you want to receive in the notifications. And that's how you can monitor your whole backup process with GitProtect.io.